Welcome to Luxevista TV, the home of luxury. The automotive world has always been shaped by vehicles that do more than simply move from one place to another. Some cars define performance, others define luxury, but only a few manage to master both worlds and elevate themselves into something greater than transportation. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV is one of those rare machines. This is not just a new generation SUV. It is a statement of refinement, power, and engineering discipline brought together under one name that already carries decades of heritage. Toyota has taken everything it learned from the legendary Land Cruiser lineage and blended it with the ultra-luxury philosophy of the Century division, creating something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a moving private sanctuary. From the first glance, the presence of this SUV is undeniable. It stands with a commanding silhouette, shaped by clean lines, balanced proportions, and a design language that prioritizes dignity over aggression. Unlike many modern SUVs that try to impress through sharp edges and overstyled details, the Century SUV follows a different path. It is calm, composed, and intentional. Every surface feels designed with purpose, as if nothing has been added without reason. At the front, the grille carries a bold but elegant identity, framed by subtle chrome accents that reflect light in a controlled, almost quiet way. The headlights are sleek and intelligent, blending seamlessly into the body rather than dominating it. Even when stationary, the vehicle feels alive, as if it understands its role is not to shout, but to represent. Step inside, and the experience transforms completely. The interior of the 2027 Land Cruiser Century SUV is where Toyota's craftsmanship reaches its highest expression. It is a space designed not for driving alone, but for experiencing comfort in its purest form. Premium leather surfaces wrap every touchpoint. Soft ambient lighting flows through the cabin like a calm wave, adjusting subtly depending on time and mood. The seats are not just seats, they are fully engineered relaxation systems. With multi-directional adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions, they redefine what long-distance comfort means. In the rear cabin, Toyota has focused on creating a first-class experience. This is where the Century philosophy truly reveals itself. The rear passengers are treated with executive-style seating, wide legroom, adjustable recline, and individual climate and entertainment control systems. The cabin feels more like a private lounge than an automotive interior. Technology is seamlessly integrated, but never intrusive. A fully digital driver cluster displays essential driving information with clarity, while a central infotainment system provides navigation, connectivity, and vehicle control through a clean, intuitive interface. Voice commands and smart assistant systems reduce the need for physical interaction, allowing the driver to stay focused while the vehicle handles complexity in the background. But luxury alone does not define this SUV. Beneath the elegant surface lies serious engineering power. The 2027 Land Cruiser Century SUV is built on a refined hybrid powertrain that balances performance with efficiency. Toyota's advanced hybrid system delivers smooth acceleration, instant torque response, and quiet operation that matches the calm nature of the cabin. This is not a loud or aggressive performance machine. Instead, it delivers power in a controlled and intelligent way, ensuring that every movement feels effortless. The suspension system is another highlight. Designed for maximum comfort, it absorbs road imperfections with remarkable precision. Whether driving through city streets or uneven terrain, the vehicle maintains stability and composure at all times. The result is a ride quality that feels almost disconnected from the road surface itself. Steering and handling are tuned for smoothness rather than sport aggression. This SUV is not meant to be pushed like a sports car. It is meant to glide, to float, and to maintain control with absolute confidence. Safety remains a core foundation of the design. Toyota has equipped this model with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that provides full awareness of the surroundings. Every system works together quietly in the background, ensuring that both driver and passengers are protected at all times without distraction. One of the most fascinating parts of the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV is the attention given to sound isolation. Toyota engineers focused heavily on reducing unwanted cabin noise, creating an atmosphere that feels calm even at high speed. Advanced acoustic glass, additional insulation materials, and vibration control technology work together to keep the cabin incredibly quiet. Inside this SUV, outside chaos disappears almost instantly. Another area where the Century SUV separates itself from traditional luxury vehicles is personalization. Buyers are expected to have access to exclusive interior themes, premium wood trims, custom leather finishes, and executive-level seating configurations. This level of customization allows owners to create a vehicle that reflects their personal taste rather than following a standard production formula. Night driving in this SUV becomes an experience of its own. The intelligent LED lighting system adapts automatically to road conditions while maintaining visibility without disturbing other drivers. Inside the cabin, ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere that transforms the interior into something closer to a luxury lounge than a conventional SUV. Toyota also focused heavily on rear passenger comfort because many owners in this segment prefer chauffeur-driven experiences. Rear passengers can control seat positioning, entertainment systems, climate zones, and even privacy settings through dedicated touch controls. The rear cabin becomes a private executive environment designed for relaxation and productivity. Storage solutions inside the vehicle have also been designed intelligently. Hidden compartments, wireless charging areas, cooled storage sections, and flexible cargo arrangements make the SUV practical despite its luxury focus. Toyota clearly wanted the vehicle to remain useful in everyday situations rather than becoming only a display of prestige. Aerodynamics play a major role in the SUV's refined driving behavior. Even though the vehicle has a large body structure, airflow has been carefully managed around the exterior to reduce wind resistance and cabin turbulence. This improves both ride comfort and fuel efficiency while also enhancing stability at highway speeds. Toyota's hybrid engineering philosophy is especially important here because the electric assistance system improves low-speed smoothness dramatically. In city traffic, acceleration feels immediate and nearly silent. This creates a driving sensation that feels effortless and modern without losing the durability reputation associated with the Land Cruiser name. The braking system has also been refined for luxury-oriented performance. Instead of delivering harsh stopping force, braking response feels smooth and progressive, helping passengers remain comfortable during long journeys. Combined with adaptive suspension technology, the SUV maintains balance even under sudden movement or difficult road conditions. Another impressive detail is the digital ecosystem integrated into the vehicle. Smartphone connectivity, cloud-based navigation updates, intelligent voice interaction, and over-the-air software support help keep the vehicle technologically current over time. Toyota understands that modern luxury buyers expect their vehicles to evolve rather than remain static after purchase. Climate control inside the Century SUV goes beyond basic heating and cooling. Air purification systems help improve cabin air quality, while multi-zone climate adjustment ensures every passenger experiences personalized comfort. Even temperature transitions are designed to feel smooth and natural rather than sudden. And with that said, thank you for watching Luxevista TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cinematic luxury automotive documentaries from around the world. Because here at Luxevista TV, luxury is not just seen, it is experienced.